Looking for a cordless reciprocating saw that actually delivers power without the cord? In this video, we're breaking down the best cordless reciprocating saws based on performance, battery life, and overall value, so you can choose the right one for your projects. You'll find links to all the tools mentioned in the description below. Let's jump in. Dewalt DCS 380B 20-volt reciprocating saw, built for demanding cutting tasks. This cordless tool delivers a strong balance of power, control, and durability for both DIY users and professionals. Powered by a 20-volt max battery system, it offers a variable speed trigger reaching up to 3,000 strokes per minute, allowing precise speed matching for different materials. The 1 1/8-inch stroke length ensures fast, aggressive cuts through wood, metal, and demolition materials. One of its standout features is the 4-position tool-free blade clamp, which enables flush cutting and flexible blade orientation without slowing down workflow. A pivoting adjustable shoe adds stability, improves leverage, and extends blade life by distributing wear evenly. The rubberized comfort grip enhances control during prolonged use, reducing hand fatigue. Built with a double oil-sealed shaft, the internal components are well protected against dust and debris, contributing to long-term durability. Weighing just over 2.4 kilograms, the saw feels solid without being overly heavy. Users consistently praise its cutting power, noting performance comparable to full-size corded models. While battery consumption can be high during heavy use, most agree the tool delivers excellent value, reliability, and cutting efficiency for weekend projects and job site tasks alike. Soarfly 21-volt brushless cordless reciprocating saw. Designed for versatility and convenience, this cordless saw combines high cutting speed with a generous accessory package. Its brushless motor delivers up to 3,500 strokes per minute, providing fast and smooth cutting across wood, metal, plastic, and pipes. The higher efficiency of the brushless design improves runtime while reducing heat and maintenance needs. Equipped with two 21-volt 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, the saw supports extended work sessions, with some users reporting up to an hour of runtime under moderate loads. The included 8 high-carbon steel blades are built for durability and impact resistance, making them suitable for a wide range of materials straight out of the box. The lightweight and compact construction allows easy handling in tight spaces or overhead work, while built-in noise reduction contributes to a more comfortable operating experience. Adjustable cutting angles add flexibility for renovation and plumbing applications. Maximum cutting capacities reach up to 250 mm in wood and 20 mm in metal. User feedback highlights strong value for money and impressive speed, though opinions vary on long-term battery performance and heavy-duty power. Overall, it's well-suited for DIY enthusiasts seeking an all-in-one cutting solution with solid performance and portability. Dewalt DCS 38720-volt compact reciprocating saw. Engineered for tight spaces, this compact cordless saw excels where larger tools struggle. Measuring approximately 14 inches in length, it easily fits between studs and confined work areas without sacrificing cutting performance. A 20-volt max battery platform powers a variable speed trigger capable of up to 2,900 strokes per minute, delivering controlled yet efficient cutting. The 1 1/8-inch stroke length ensures fast material removal, while the 4-position keyless blade clamp allows for quick blade changes and flush cut applications. A bright integrated LED light improves visibility in dim environments, making it ideal for remodeling, plumbing, and electrical work. Despite its compact form, the saw feels robust, with a well-balanced body and durable housing. The pivoting shoe enhances stability and helps extend blade life by adjusting contact points during cuts. Weighing around 2.25 kilograms, it remains comfortable for extended use. Customers frequently note its impressive power relative to size, often comparing it favorably to full-size models. Battery life receives mixed feedback, especially during heavy demolition tasks, but overall impressions emphasize reliability, precision, and ease of handling, making it a dependable choice for both professionals and serious DIY users. Black+Decker BDCR 2020 Volt Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Aimed at light to medium cutting tasks, this cordless saw offers simplicity, comfort, and affordability. Powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, it features a variable speed trigger and a motor capable of up to 3,000 strokes per minute, delivering adequate performance for pruning, trimming, and general home projects. Tool-free blade changes make operation quick and user-friendly, while the adjustable pivoting shoe improves control and cutting accuracy. An electric brake enhances safety by stopping the blade quickly once the trigger is released. The lightweight design, at approximately 4.5 pounds, makes it especially appealing for users who prioritize ease of handling. The included battery and charger provide a ready-to-use package, eliminating the need for additional purchases. Build quality is solid for its class, though it's clearly intended for occasional rather than heavy professional use. Customer impressions highlight its suitability for small jobs, yard work, and basic demolition. Many appreciate its comfort and value, particularly older users or beginners. While durability and battery life receive mixed reviews, most agree it performs well within its intended scope and offers reliable performance for everyday household tasks. Worx 20-volt Power Share Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Offering a unique dual-function design, this tool combines reciprocating saw and jigsaw capabilities into a single compact unit. Powered by the Worx Power Share 20-volt battery system, it allows battery compatibility across multiple tools, adding convenience and long-term value. The variable speed trigger delivers controlled cutting, with speeds reaching up to 4,500 SPM for fast, clean results. Its pivoting head and toolless blade change system enhance versatility, while the built-in LED light and blower improve visibility during cuts. Weighing just over 4 pounds with the battery installed, it's easy to operate one-handed, reducing fatigue during extended use. The saw includes multiple blades for wood and other materials, making it adaptable for home renovation, pruning, and craft projects. Build quality feels solid, with thoughtful design elements focused on comfort and maneuverability. Users praise its convenience, portability, and surprising power for its size. Battery life opinions vary depending on workload, but overall feedback emphasizes versatility and ease of use. It's particularly well-liked by homeowners seeking a multifunctional cutting tool for diverse projects. Craftsman MCS 300 V20 Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Designed as part of the V20 cordless system, this saw delivers dependable performance for light to medium cutting applications. The high-performance motor features a 1-inch stroke length and reaches speeds up to 3,000 strokes per minute, enabling efficient cutting through wood, wall materials, and light metal. A full variable speed trigger provides precise control, while the tool-free blade release allows quick and effortless blade changes. Its compact 14.5-inch length makes it well-suited for tight spaces such as between studs or inside cabinets. The contoured overmolded handle enhances comfort and grip stability during use. Build quality reflects Craftsman's focus on durability, though the tool remains lightweight enough for extended handling. Battery and charger are sold separately, offering flexibility for users already invested in the V20 platform. Customer feedback highlights ease of operation, good balance, and solid cutting performance for DIY tasks like pruning and small demolition jobs. Some users report battery drain and power loss over time, but many find it reliable for its intended applications. Overall, it's a practical, affordable option for homeowners seeking consistent performance. Vtek Brushless Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Focused on efficiency and user comfort, this cordless saw features a brushless motor capable of delivering up to 3,000 strokes per minute with reduced vibration and improved runtime. 3 adjustable speed settings allow users to tailor performance for cutting wood, metal, PVC, and other materials, ensuring cleaner results and better control. The 22mm stroke length supports fast cutting, while the tool-free blade change system makes switching blades simple and safe. Ergonomic design elements, including a comfortable grip and one-handed operation with a safety lock, reduce fatigue and improve overall usability.